Assalamu alaikum, my dear student of class 9. Hopefully, you are well and safe. This is Ahmadullah Hassan, Senior Teacher, Department of Mathematics, Milestone College. Dear student, today I will discuss about some mathematical problems of your General Math exercise 3.2. Dear student, this chapter is very important for your upcoming examination. Dear student, if you watch this video attentively, it will be very beneficial for you. Dear student, so let's get started our today's class. My dear student, today I will discuss about exercise 3.2. Dear student, our first question, find the cube of the expression with the help of formula. Our first question, 7m square minus 2n. Let us solution of this question. The cube of expression seven m square minus 2n is equal to 7m square minus 2n whole cube. Dear student, you know the formula of a minus b whole cube is a cube minus 3a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. Dear student, look here, 7m square is a and 2n is b. So we can write a cube minus 3 a square b plus 3a b square minus b cube. Now simplify this expression, we can write 7 cube m power 6 minus 3 into 7 square m power 4 into 2n plus 3 into 7m square into 4n square minus 2q n cube. If we simplify this expression, we can write m power 4n plus 84 m square n square minus 8n cube. This is our answer. I think that student, you understood this calculation very easily. My dear student, this is our problem number 2. Simplify a plus b plus c whole cube minus a minus b minus c whole cube minus 6 into b plus c into a square minus b plus c whole square. Dear student, look, a square minus b plus c whole square, this is the format of a square minus b square. So we can write this expression is a plus b plus c whole cube minus a minus b minus c whole cube minus 6 into b plus c into a plus b plus c into a minus b minus c. Dear student, if you simplify this expression, you have to take another variable of this expression. So let a plus b plus c equal to m, a minus b minus c equal to n. If we subtract two equation, then we can write minus plus plus minus. Here plus a and minus a are cancelled, so we can write 2b plus 2c equals to m minus n. Again we can write, taking common 2 from left side of this equation, we can write 2 into b plus c equal to m minus n. Again we can write b plus c equal to m minus n divided by 2. Dear student, if you putting the value of a plus b plus c equal to m, a minus b minus c equal to n, and b plus c equal to m minus n divided by 2 in this expression, then we can write the modified expression is mq minus nq minus 6 into m minus n divided by 2 into mn. Again we can write mq minus nq minus 6 upon 2, that is 3 m minus n into mn. Again we can write mq minus nq minus 3 mn into m minus n. Dear student, look, this is the formula of a minus b whole cube. So we can write m minus n whole cube. Dear student, the value of m minus n equal to 2 into b plus c. So 2 into b plus c whole cube. Here 2 cube equal to 8 and b plus c to the power 3. This is our answer. Dear student, I think all of you are understood this calculation very easily. My dear student, we are going to solve the problem 4. If aq minus bq equal to 513 and a minus b equal to 3, what is the value of ab? Dear student, look, here the solution of this question. Given that a minus b is equal to 3 and aq minus bq equal to 513. Dear student, look, aq minus bq, here the formula of a minus b whole cube plus 3ab into a minus b. This is the formula of aq minus bq. This equal to 513. Our given value a minus b is equal to 3 plus 3ab into 3 equal to 513. Again we can write 9ab equals to 513 minus 27. So we can write 9ab equal to 486. Write ab equals to 486 divided by 9. So 486 divided by 9 upon, that is 54. So ab equals to 54. This is our answer. Dear student, here the problem number 6. If a is equal to 15, what is the value of 8aq plus 60a square plus 150a plus 130? Dear student, if you find the value of this expression, you have to make a formula a plus b whole cube. So dear student, look, our given value, given that a is equal to 15. Now 8aq plus 60a square plus 150a plus 130. Now we can write this term 2aq plus 3 into 2a square into 5 plus 3 into 2a, that is a, that is b of b is 5 square plus 5q. Dear student, look here, 5q equal to 125. Our given expression is the term 130, so you have to need 5, so we can write plus 5. Look here, the formula of a plus b whole cube, so we can write 2a plus 5 whole cube plus 5. The student, our given value a equal to 15, so we can write 2 into 15 plus 5 whole cube plus 5. 2 into 15, that is 30, plus 5 whole cube plus 5, this equal to 35 whole cube plus 5. Now we can write 35 cube equal to this plus 5. So if we calculate this expression, we can write 42,880. This is our answer. I think, dear student, you are understood this calculation very easily. My dear student, here the problem number 7. If a plus b is equal to m, a square plus b square equal to n, and aq plus bq is equal to pq, then show that mq plus 2pq is equal to 3mn. Given that a plus b is equal to m, a square plus b square equal to n, and aq plus bq is equal to pq. Now left hand side is equal to mq plus 2pq. Here the value of m is equal to a plus b, and the value of pq is equal to aq plus bq. So we can write a plus b whole cube plus 2 into the values of pq equal to aq plus bq. So aq plus bq. We know the formula of a plus b whole cube equal to aq plus 3a square b plus 3a b square plus bq plus 2aq plus 2bq. Now here we see that aq plus 2aq, that is 3aq plus 3a square b plus 3a b square. Here bq plus 2bq, we can write plus 3bq. Now we are taking common 3a square from this two term. We can write 3a square into a plus b, and taking common 3b square from this two term, we can write 3b square into a plus b. Now taking common a plus b from this two term, we can write a plus b into 3a square plus 3b square. Now taking common 3 from this term, we can write 3 into a plus b into a square plus b square. Our value a plus b is equal to m and a square plus b square equal to n. So we can write 3mn is equal to right hand side should. Dear student, here the problem number 10. If m plus 1 by m equals to a, find the value of m cube plus 1 by m cube. Let us our solution. Given that m plus 1 by m equals to a. Now m cube plus 1 by m cube. We can write this expression is m whole cube plus 1 by m whole cube. This is the formula of a cube plus b cube. So we can write m plus 1 by m whole cube minus 3m into 1 by m into m plus 1 by m. Dear student, the value of m plus 1 by m equals to a. So we can write a cube minus m upon m cancel. So 3 into the value of m plus 1 by m is a. So again we can write a cube minus 3a. This is our answer. My dear student, hopefully you are understood today's lecture. Dear student, your today's homework 1 of 2, 2 of 2, 3, 4, 6, 7 and number 10. Dear student, if you have any problem regarding this video, don't hesitate to inform your subject teacher. Dear student, thank you for watching this lecture.